Voice! I heard it when I was flying, and the voice is like my voice, except it was saying strange words, and the words... First one in
Want to go bowling?
Roman, I cannot bowl with you. I'm doing other things now.
Sure, cousin. Call me when you have a moment.
Southbound, Eastern Albany City. Dispatch news team from Leftwood.
This.
What am I going to do with that brother of mine?
Hey, what's up, money?
Hey.
Come on. Ladies, give me a few minutes. Business calls. This is my town. Look at it. All them tiny ants down there. Man, shit is crazy.
So I guess you do okay.
Yeah, okay. But, what about you? What motivates you?
Well, I need money. This pays. I can do it. I don't care if I live or die. And I'm looking for someone.
Someone special.
Yeah, you could say that. So, why do you need me?
Well, I'm always looking for good guys. Build an army. But in my work, the people change. Money changes people, not me. See, I'm still a hustler from these streets. And I heard good things about you.
Okay, but I'm warning you. I'm not low budget.
Do I look like I live low budget, dog?
Yo, player,
Fuck you want?
there's someone here for you. Dwayne or some shit, I don't know.
Motherfucker got out? Damn. My dude!
What's up, son? What's going down?
You didn't tell me you was getting out? Man, I would've laid on a party, got some freaks out. Shit.
I called. Couple of times.
Man, hey, Dwayne, this is Nico.
Hey.
Nico Dwayne Forge. Taught me everything I know.
Psst, not everything.
So, hey, man, where you staying? You need some money? What's the plan?
What you mean, what's the plan? Pick up where we left off. I'm out, I'm back. We keep on rolling.
You say we?
Yeah, we. Unless you too fine. What, your silk chic, fancy dress wearing life too big for me now?
Oh, hey, now I ain't saying that. You know what's mine is yours. You need help, just holler. Hell, this Slavic motherfucker any good, he can help you. And you know I do anything I can. But right now, we gotta roll. Just give me 1 second.
Ain't folk quick to forget.
Some folk.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Where did you get out from?
Preschool.
Okay, Dwayne, we gotta roll. Please make yourself at home. Hell, this is your home. Let's jet, money.
Motherfucker must think I'm an idiot.
We going to Castle Gardens. There's an alley we want to hit up just off the South Parkway. All right. You heard of Yusef Amir? Big real estate developer?
I don't know. I've heard a lot of names since I got here. This guy's a big developer. Are you and him having meetings about how to run the city?
Not yet, but I got an idea about how me and him can get friendly. Some Italian dudes have shut down his building site on some union bullshit. They all up in the place, strapped to their fronts with hard hats on and shit. Won't let nobody get near it.
What are you suggesting we do about it?
You gonna go in there and get them mafia types off the site. Meantime, I'm gonna tell Yusuf how good we've been to him. That cat and me is gonna be tight as 2 cellmates on lockdown after this.
What's in it for me?
I'll give you what you after. Cold, hard cash. That what you chasing, right?
Amongst other things. I don't know how good your plan is, though, Playboy. If I get rid of the guys on the site, then won't there be more? If it's a union problem, doesn't that make it bigger than a few guys with guns?
Shit. Union is just another word for mafia. These cats is looking to squeeze our boy Amir for dollars just because he ain't from here. When we fuck they people up, they'll realize that he ain't a cat to be messed with, and they'll back off.
Okay?
Shit. Yusef is from Dubai. He's an African, and he's coming to Liberty City to make it big. It's my duty to watch this cat's back. My ancestors came from Africa. Now he's coming out a bit later. Me and him could be cousins, shit.
I think you might want to look at the map, Playboy. Dubai isn't in Africa.
Shit, it all the same. Africa, America, Dubai. It don't matter. We're brothers. Spiritually, I mean. And that's the important bit. I left some heat for you in that car, money. You're gonna be strapped. Sniper rifles, grenades, all that shit. Yo, there's 3 lookout cats making sure no one makes move on the site. You best take them out with the rifle before you hit up the rest of them. I'm gonna get in a position where I can see all the shit going down. If you can take out the main cats, then the rest of them shouldn't be a problem. When you in there, I'll give you the lowdown on where these main cats is at. You might be better seeing the lookouts from up here too, Money.
All right, you win, Money. First guy is on scaffolding in the building east of the yard.
The Union won't bend over because of you! You scared!
All day in my head.
Motherfuckers! We're gonna fight to keep these jobs in American hands!
Take a look around, buddy. We
Don't move.
This is the best part.
You think I'm screwing around? Don't get up. Come on!
Time to pay the piper.
Don't want to make me finish you off. This is it! Run away from me.
This ends here! You can't outsource this, you scared! I got him!
Friend.
Hey, you! We got you
afraid,
surrounded!
friend.
Come on! Your ass is mine!
Back off!
You can't escape.
You should not have fucked with me!
Let's do shit right now! I gotta look...
Cold motherfucker. Next guy is south of up a few stories in the next building.
What?
Oh, I knew you was the right Slavic killer for this job. There's a cat in the southwest corner of the yard by the water. Get him.
Shots fired on the construction site in Castle Garden. This is possibly related to...
You are going...
That guy is to your east. Shit, Money. Best watch yourself. There'll be more than mafia cats turning up.
Thanks for the warning.
Yo, Money, there's a chopper turning up. I think our boy is making a run for it. Get him good.
I'll do my best. have engaged with me. I got rid of all the union problems on this site. As you can see, this place is going to need a cleanup before any workers come in.
You the money, son. USSPA won't put me through to the cat, but when they hear about this shit, they gonna start listening to Playboy. Yo, Money, I appreciate what you're doing for me. There be so many fake cats out there. You remember my man, Dwayne?
Sure, just got out of the pen. Old friends aren't paying him no mind.
Yeah, that's what he thinks. He got friends all over the shop, but he living in the past. Now, I need you to go with the Governor Greg Johnson project over in Northwood. He holding up there and needs help with some shit. You assist this broke ass, I'll send some paper your way. I owe that fool. Can't pay back a biatch. Peace out, Money.
Scabies and other bad things. Hey, all right? If that's what you want, that's what you get, okay? Now, I gave you an option.
You know, I love to
I
beat
gave you
civilians.
all a chance to be free.
Nico,
So
this
listen in,
shit went
man.
down with those guys in
You let
Bohan.
me-
Elizabeta's doing a bid. I think she might have killed Manny.
Really?
Good thing you haven't been hanging around with them too much. The shit is fucked up. I'm sorry for getting you involved.
Don't worry about it. You've got enough on your plate looking after Roman. See you soon.
I'm trying to get home.
Hey, you, look, come on now. Come on, listen to me, all right? This city here is hell on earth, okay? You're not going to hell. You're not going to hell. You're living in it right now.